So this is a program I've been working on that uses the food database provided by the USDA. In order to use it, you're going to need these 3 files. But if you don't have them, the program will actually tell you where to go get them. So let's start it up and do go run main, and there's our command prompt. Now if we just hit enter, it'll show us the commands that are available. First thing we need to do is build the database. We're going to go build. And actually, let's show this right here. If we change the name of one of these files and tell it to build, it could not open this, and it tells us where to go download it. So if you don't have any of them, it'll walk you through getting each of the files. Now let's go back and make this the right name. Build. Now this is going to take a little while, so I'm going to skip forward. And we can see that it's finished. If we pop over here, we can see that we now have a food database, and it's 16 megs, so not too big. Actually, much smaller than the largest file. So now, what can we do? Let's start with, we can list all of the nutrients that the system tracks, which is probably more than we really want to deal with. So let's go through and activate a couple of these. So caffeine we definitely want, so we're going to do nutrient, I missed what that was. Caffeine is 262, and we're going to do show. Let's do a couple of these that are down here. Nutrient. Alright, now if we say nutrients again, the list will show us the things that we have activated. You can also use the keyword hide to, well, hide which ones we're going to show. Now what is this useful for? Well, we can come over here and we can do find and then name a food. So let's do strawberries. And these are all of the strawberries in the system. Be careful. The system doesn't know the difference between singular and plural, so strawberries gets us strawberries raw, which is probably what we really want. But if we do find strawberry, we get a whole lot of other stuff that's strawberry flavored, but raw strawberries isn't in that list. Let's go do this one more time. Find strawberries. Now we can do show 9316, and it's going to show us the nutrients that we have active for that food. Now that's all well and good, but we want to do recipes. So let's make a recipe. Recipe, my coffee. Now we're in the my coffee recipe. Let's do find coffee. And there's a lot of coffee in there. And actually it's the last one that I want, so I'm going to do add, then we give it the food that we want, 14209, and the amount that we want. So I don't actually know what the right amount is, but let's say 400 grams. I also add a little half and half, so we'll do find dairy half. I don't know how to find it. Perfect. Half and half. Fluid half and half. So we're going to do add 1049. And I only put a little bit, so let's do 10. Let's also do find sugar. I remember having trouble with this one. And so that's when we want 19907. So we're going to add 19907, and really only put a little sugar in, so 5 grams of sugar. Alright, so now we have a recipe, kind of a simple one, but we can print it. And there we go. There's my coffee and the stuff that goes into my coffee. But we want this recipe to be saved. So let's exit and just run that again. Now if we do recipes, all recipes, we'll see a list. There's my coffee. And if we do recipe, my coffee, now we're back into my coffee, and if we print, there's everything. But we would really like to be able to open this in a more useful view. So if we just do save, that's actually going to save to this file right here. We'll open that with Sublime Text, which is actually open over here. And let's move that. There we go. And there we go. It's a nice tabular view with all of the things that we've activated. And the bottom row is a total. So that's the working prototype for right now. It's already getting pretty useful, and I'm hoping to have some more features plugged in over the next couple weeks. The code is available up on GitHub, and I'll put a link to that.